Are you still shopping for that hard-to-buy-for book lover on your list? Do you have somebody who loves both cozy vibes and action and adventure? Well, what if I told you this book marries the two of those things together? Here we have a book called Adventurer Mage. It's set in a sort of magical Victorian era, and it's about Maeve, who's working as an indentured servant for a bunch of rich mages. She hates it, but then one night she encounters Valentine, who is a mage who's not like the other mages, and he and she escape together, and she finds out about his job, which is being an adventurer, which is basically a treasure hunter for hire, going out and finding cool magical objects for other people. So there's a lot of dungeon crawling adventure, a lot of danger, but still at the same time with the cozy vibes, and let me just say, platonic soulmates. If any of that appeals to you or the book lover in your life, then you might just need to pick them up a copy of Adventurer Mage today.